Good afternoon, Jamie Schmidt, Greenway Pressure Washing, located in Cherry Hill, New Jersey. I'm going to show you a project we're working on today. You know, we do a lot of residential homes, but we also do a lot of commercial, a lot of HOA properties. And I'm going to show you a project we're working on today. We're out here doing a complete building cleaning. We're doing a lot of detail work at this building. So you'll be seeing what we'll be doing. We're doing a lot of scrubbing of the awnings, hand scrubbing gutters, exterior window cleaning being all done by hand, and we're washing the building, and we're also cleaning the roof and doing all the concrete cleaning as well. So take you guys on a small little tour of what we're doing here. Take you back here, and we're doing all the concrete cleaning. We have this beautiful, this is the Woodcrest Country Club in Cherry Hill, and we're cleaning all the concrete here. As you can see, we're doing all the concrete cleaning, cleaning all the concrete, cleaning all the building, and all the gutters and soffits are all being scrubbed by hand. As you can see, this has not been done over here yet. So if you need any exterior cleaning, if that's commercial, residential, industrial, no matter how big or small, we can take care of it for you. Give us a call, 856-512-0008, or visit us at greenwaypressurewashing.com. Again, that's greenwaypressurewashing.com, and hope to hear from you soon.